Properly measuring your ingredients is an important step in cooking and baking. If you want something to taste the same each time you make it, you need to measure the ingredients and make sure you put the right amount of each ingredient into the recipe. If ingredients are not measured correctly, recipes can fail. This is especially important for baking. Measuring ingredients properly will prevent breads, cakes, and cookies from becoming dry, tough, too heavy, or flat. Liquid measuring cups are used to measure liquids such as water, salad oil, milk, and juice. Dry measuring cups are used to measure dry ingredients like flour, sugar, dry milk, cornmeal, or solid shortening. Measuring spoons can be used to measure small amounts of liquid or dry ingredients. Liquid ingredients. Find the marker line on the measuring cup for the amount needed, such as 1/3 or 1/2 of a cup, and fill the measuring cup with liquid to that line. To check that you have the right amount, place the cup on a flat surface. Check the amount by bending down and looking at the cup at eye level. If you only look from the top and do not check it at eye level, you can't accurately check your liquid level. Add or remove until liquid is at the marker line. To measure in dry ingredients, carefully spoon the dry ingredient into the measuring cup, overfilling the cup. Level off the excess with the flat edge of a bread knife. Do not pack down or tap dry ingredients into measuring cups unless it says so in the recipe. Packing increases the amount of the ingredient that is being added to the recipe, and you could end up with too much. One exception to packing is brown sugar. A recipe may call for brown sugar to be packed down. Measuring spoons. For dry ingredients, use the flat part of a bread knife to level off the teaspoon or tablespoon. This can also be done for some wet ingredients like mayonnaise and mustard. For liquid ingredients such as oil, vanilla, juice, milk, etc., carefully fill to the top of the measuring spoon.
Eat, move, save.